how to add a diagram in Google Slides. First, let's open a new Google Slides presentation. You can do this by typing slides.new in your browser's address bar. If you want to use an existing presentation, simply open that file. Now, let's add a diagram. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Diagram. You will see a panel with different diagram styles. You can choose from hierarchies, timelines, processes, relationships, cycles, and more. Select the style that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen a style, you can customize the number of levels in your diagram using the options provided on the right side of your screen. Click on the template in the panel to insert it into your slide. Now that your diagram is added, you can customize it by clicking on the individual elements. You can change colors, text sizes, and more to match your presentation's theme. Make sure to adjust the position and size of the diagram on your slide as needed. You can click and drag to move it, or use the handles to resize. And that's it.